Well, the girls have had their morning fun racing around the fields, digging for gophers or whatever critters are in the holes out there, and just playing in the hay. I can see that if I go on any trips longer than a week, I'm going to need to do some laundry for sure, because these two very energetic, very busy pups really bring the dirt into the house. Some of this I can sweep out and wipe off, but some of it is just going to have to get washed a week and a half every now and then. Here's a nice little field that we're parked in for the evening. Gives the dogs lots of grass to play on and sleep. We'll rotate around here to the wine tasting building. This is out in the country and it's really nice. There's a barn. They also have several hives out here that they make their honey from. And here is the Wynooche River Winery. So we'll go in here and I'll tell you about their different wines. This is a unique place compared to all the other wineries I've traveled to, because they don't do grape wines. It's all fruit wines of every flavor you can think of. And they're all very delicious. We're down here at the Wynooche River Winery near Aberdeen, Washington. And we had quite a really nice drive out through the country here. And this winery is different from all the rest I've gone to because they are basically all fruit wines of all types. That's what they specialize in. And they have a wide variety of fruit wines and fruit wine mixes. I've tasted several and they're all really good. Good reason for coming back here is to get some different ones. Have even some citrus wines, and also they have several hives that make their own honey. Very good. But they've also got other items you can use, some different stoppers for your wine bottles and various displays. Some dishware that goes along with the honey. Little towels you can have for your kitchen or RV. Some clothing. But they're always changing. They always have something new coming out. And this is the bulletin board that displays what's going on and what they have coming for new releases. So it's small, but it's mighty. And I've enjoyed all the fruit wines that they've tasted. So if you're not into wine, come out here and try their fruit wines of all types. I've had a hard time deciding which one I was going to get, but now I know it's here. It's a good reason to come out. You can go farther up the road here to the Wynooche Dam and the campgrounds and the Wynooche Falls. So that's another reason to come out this way. So now I'm going to go out, park in our little location, and let the dogs out. Well, after going in and tasting wine getting the bottle, coming out here, I see what the pups have done once more to this side of the RV in here. I had that thing pulled all the way up, and you can see the Velcro was on it to keep it together because it wouldn't stay anymore after what they did last time. And this time they tore the damn thing all the way off. So what this is going to do is cause me to do what I was hoping I could put off a little longer, and that is sew up some different types of curtains that they can't tear apart, and will go up and hang differently and give me some blackout. Dogs keep bumping my arm. Blackout also. So oh well, that's life with puppies. Here's the guilty two, acting as if they didn't do anything wrong and just were being playful. But I'm gonna have to either find me a seamstress to do a project I have in mind, or I'm gonna have to do them myself. I haven't done any sewing in a long time. Okay. Yeah, it's quite a disaster. I found some room darkening living room curtains that I figure measured and cut properly, hemmed up. I could use them for this side of the RV in the rear and that side, which will get rid of the see-through thin material here. This is a 2008 RV, so it's totally different than what they have now. But yeah, yeah, you're looking guilty, aren't you? But I'm pretty sure it was your younger sister with tiger claws. Those things grow like needles. I gotta keep sanding them down or something. Anyway, oh, life with puppies. Well, the coastal clouds have burned off this afternoon, and now it's pretty darn warm, probably upper 70s maybe. But the dogs sure appreciate the shade that my awning gives us all. So got a little breeze going, which is really nice, and we are out here in the country. You can smell the hay and the fields. It's just a smell I really love. And the dogs seem to be happy. Well, it's gotten so warm in here. The dogs have pooped out underneath the AC running, cooling them off. And they have totally now destroyed that curtain that was there. It's now in shambles here. So that's just gonna make me come up with other ways to solve that problem. Now, they haven't bothered this one because I pulled that one down when I should have pulled this one down too, instead of leaving it open so they could look out and see people and go by. But I was thinking of my older dogs. Puppies are totally different, like children compared to adults. But these guys are knocked out. You can see the winds blowing their fur around. They're just totally satisfied, nice and cool in this hot weather we're having today. And the AC DC unit I have are on solar and lithium batteries. I've been running for a while now, and we're at 98.5. Alright, so damn good. I tell you, this is probably one of the best, if not the best addition I've done to this RV in 7 years. I just had to build my way up to it. So the dogs and I are very thankful. Well, I wanted to show you my brilliant solution to the shade that the dogs finally tore totally off the inside of the RV over the driver's or passenger side rear window here. So I put it up, and it's as good, if not better, than the shade behind me that hasn't been damaged yet. So take a look at this. This is my fix. And there we are. A couple of screw hooks, and stretched out one of my towels, and we have a sunblock and a dark curtain. The dogs want to go back out. There's a couple of horses in the pasture right beside us here that came over to check things out, and they're going crazy. They want to go see the horses, so let's go out. Here's the horses they have. And their guard dog over there is keeping track of everything. Oh, it's the next morning at Wynooche River Wineries, and it's just so damn pleasant out here in the country. Tepid, light wind. You can hear the birds, the river slightly way off in the distance. Oh, I dreamed of living like this since I was 12 years old. We have two totally relaxed farm dogs here. I put them on the 20-foot lead, took them individually for a walk all around the huge pasture here to explore things, and now they are pooped out, taking a nap as the sun starts to burn the clouds off. And we'll be leaving to our next rendezvous here shortly.